ganito ka-mature yung characters that you're playing. And while we were watching nga, sobrang bagay lahat ng characters na binigay sa inyo. Although yung kay Isabel, medyo yet to see pa kasi hindi pa masyadong fleshed out in the pilot, no? So, kayo din, same question, how were you convinced to do the roles? Ano yung nagpa-curious sa inyo? And adding to that, alam naman natin kung gaano ka-successful ang murder mystery dramas ng GMA, and how do you also feel to become a part of that genre, tapos with partnership pa with you?
I actually auditioned. I sent two, nag-record lang ako sa bahay ng dalawang character. Nagpalit pa ata yung pangalan ng isang character. If I remember, Angel ba yun dapat? Pero yun, if I remember correctly, if it was supposed, I auditioned for Gabby and Isabel's character. And thinking back, bakit ako nag-audition, di ba? Tinanong mo kasi bakit mo tinanggap, di ba? But katanong ko, nag-audition na ako eh. Di ba? So, gusto kong i-stretch yung instrument ko. Like, gusto kong mag-try, ma-challenge, gusto kong mag-try ng mga mahirap na bagay. As in, lalo na yung hindi ako mag-tablet. And nahanap ko with my past projects na weakness ko ang anger sa lahat ng emosyon. As in, nanggigigil ako ng weakness ko siya. So, gusto ko siyang makuha sa show na to. Gusto kong ma-master yung ma-aral kung paano ko siya titimplahin, how do I get there, and through this opportunity that View and GMA trusted me with, I feel like it's the best way to really stretch my instrument as an actor and find new sides of myself na kaya kong ipakita pa para hindi yung order ng mga tao, diba? Wow!
Can I just say, Mikey, yung expression mo doon sa, yung parang may tatanungin sa iyo, yung character ni Julian, parang may tinatagong backstory eh. Nakita niyo yung ano doon? Guys, if you saw that emotion, give Mikey a big round of applause. May tinatagong galit yet to be unleashed.
Lalabas pa lang yun. That's malalim yung backstory ni Sugar. If you get to know her character, makikita niyo din kung na iba't iba yung reasons, yun yung core, yung puso namin on kung ano yung motivation namin on our connection with Zach. Yeah.
Napakaganda. We're excited to see more of your emotions and anger. Right now, of course, Gabby, how about you?
Yes, what mainly made me say yes is that it's because it's a collaboration with View and GMA. It hits two audiences at the same time. And it's the first time ever that we will be having a different attack on GMA viewers and a different attack also on View viewers. So also, it's because it's a murder mystery, and it's such an honor to be part of a murder mystery produced by, of course, GMA and View, because we have so many great murder mysteries, and to be part of something, I'm pretty sure na magiging hit to, because it's a murder mystery, of course, by Mr. RJ Nuevas and all of the creatives of GMA. And also, we have an all-women cast. Isa din yun sa nagpapayag sa akin because the four leading ladies are just so powerful. Sorry, boys. All the four ladies are really, talagang sabi nga ni Mikey nung story ko na, magpagalingan tayo. And I feel like it's such a healthy, it's a non-toxic, healthy competition. At saka nag-lift kami each other. We lift each other up, we support each other, and of course, in the acting side naman, it's also very different. I'm used to roles na hindi rin anti-hero, medyo spoiler, pero medyo anti-hero din ako dito. So, it's nice to explore, it's nice to see more options for characters, and I'm very, very happy to be working with you once again for this project. I've been so blessed with them. Thank you so much, Ms. Garlic, and to the whole View family, and of course, to Sparkle and to GMA.
Wow, ay nakita din naman namin, Gabby, yung ikaw din, kung merong shift of yun na emotions kanina, si Derek, ikaw din ang nasa pool, I have my ring, but it's okay, you'll have your turn. Akala ko may support pa rin sa, sa sis. Love that. A round of applause everyone for Gabby's performance in the pilot episode. Now, of course, we have the romantic partner, ex-romantic partner. How about you, Julian?
Yes, good afternoon everybody. And first and foremost, kasi ngayon na kami nagkaroon ng siya sa mga salita, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ninyo. I'm very, very excited. We all are. What made me say yes to this project, of course, dahil, of course, because of you and GMA. It's another collaboration na for sure na mag-hit. And we all know naman na ang View ay nagpo-produce ng napakagandang mga content. Yes. And of course, sa GMA din po, lahat ng mga shows ay talaga mga hit talaga. Talaga tumatatak sa buhay ng mga tao araw-araw. So, yung sa character ko naman, when you say yes to this project, it's my first time really doing this kind of genre. Nung narinig ko na murder mystery yung story ng Slay, na-curious ako syempre kasi ang tagal kong hindi umarating. My last was Maria Clara, and then syempre parang gusto ko rin ma-maximize ulit yung capabilities ko sa pagdating sa acting. And I also, katulad din na sinabi ni Mikey kanina, I also want to explore, I want to discover myself more. Kung ano pa yung pwede kong ma-offer pagdating sa larangan ng pag-arte. And ako kasi personally talaga na-enjoy ko whenever I get these roles. And first time ko rin magkaganitong klaseng role. And minsan, pag gumagawa kami ng mga eksena, ako personally nasusurprise din ako kung paano siya lumalabas at kung paano ako nagiging sa set. And I also love that I get to work with these very, very talented and passionate actors. Talagang nakaka-overwhelm, pero alam mo yun, like, asarap sa pakiramdam because I know that we are creating something that's really, really good. So, yes, very exciting the project na to. And syempre mag-unfold pa lahat ng mga pangyayari at mga scenarios na hindi nyo ina-expect. So, kailangan ninyo abangan, not just the pilot episode, but the rest of the episodes talagang mahuhintang kayo lahat.
At grabe naman din, congratulations on that very first episode. First episode pa lang, lahat na ata ng emotion kay Miss Julian, nakita natin. From iyak, from sakit, from run for your life, sis! Diba? If you love her performance, everybody, she deserves a round of applause. Come on. Yes. And marami pa, like you said, excited. And of course, the character who I suspect, only because she seems very nice. She seems like she has yet to share her backstory. Isabel, why did you say yes to this?
Yes, hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for being here. And I guess I said yes to this role kasi one, when I found out that this was a View and GMA collaboration, alam ko na kaagad na groundbreaking tong series na to because every time View and GMA collaborate, it's always a show that really stretches the boundaries of what can be seen in a Philippine teleserye or Philippine series. So that's number one. And number two, when I heard about the role, my role, realized ko talaga na this was something out of my comfort zone talaga. This genre is something I've never done before. And sobrang opposite ng last kong project, which was, I played the superhero. I played the heroine who is always on the good side. So, na-excite ako to know how my character who can be seemingly innocent have the capacity to possibly kill a person, diba? So that kind of question played in my head and kung paano ko lalaman yun. And to be, of course, a part of this wonderful cast with these three amazing ladies also made me super excited to start shooting for this film. And of course with Derek, and of course with Derek Raw, Derek Jules, it's just really something super exciting talaga and something out of my comfort zone. So I'm excited na makilala din ng lahat si Yana Cortez.
Wow, Yana Cortez story arc is yet to come soon.
Yes.
At gusto ko yung muntik na siya mag-spoiler, right? Muntik na siya sabi ko, marami pa kayong malalaman, hindi lang innocent girl. If hindi na, ang galing mo yun, muntik ka naman mag-spoil. Muntik
last question na lang for Sir RJ. Being the master of murder mystery dramas here on GMA, no? Ito kasi merong sinasabi na there is a view cut and there is a GMA cut. So, given the track record that you had with the success of all the murder mysteries on GMA, paano nyo ginagamay yung may ganong klaseng ibang presentation per platform and mas worldwide pa ito because yun nga, there's a platform you are in partner with.
Grabe.
Nung sinabi na magkakaroon ng dalawang ending, I took it as a challenge na kailangan maganda yung kung sino yung killer sa view. Kailangan bongga rin yun sa GMA. So, nag-iisip kami kung paano namin gagawin yun until Garlic suggested kung ano yung ending sa dalawa. Maganda yun So, thanks to Garlic, yung ending ng view at saka sa GMA ay magkaiba at parehong maganda. Kaya dapat abangan pareho.
Ooh, garlic adding a little spice